Welcome to Booboo, the kids channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Penguins. They're black and white, cute all over. Penguins. Penguins belong to a special family of birds. They live in cold places like Antarctica and some parts of South America, Africa and Australia. They're different from most birds because they can't fly. Instead of wings for flying, they have flippers. They are excellent swimmers and do their hunting in the water. Penguins are carnivorous. They mostly eat fish, such as krill, squid, and small fish that they catch while diving deep in the ocean. They spend more time in the water than on land. They are easily recognized by their coloring. All penguins have white bellies and dark or black backs. Penguins also have large heads, short necks, and stand upright on land. Like all birds, penguins are warm-blooded, covered in feathers, and lay eggs. There are several species of penguins, each with its own unique characteristics. The smallest penguin species is the blue penguin. They typically grow to about 13 inches in height. Emperor penguins are the largest species of penguins. They can grow to impressive heights, reaching up to around 3.7 to 4 feet. Penguins typically lay 1 or 2 eggs in a year, depending on the species. After laying their eggs, mother and father penguins take turns, keeping the eggs warm until they hatch into baby penguins. Did you know that penguins love to slide on their bellies? It's their favorite way to get around on the ice. Some penguins, like the emperor penguin, even huddle together in a big circle to keep each other cozy during the freezing cold winters. Penguins are not only adorable, but also very interesting creatures to learn about. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.